Hey guys, Eric and Julia here with Eric, Journey with Eric and Julia. We're getting ready to go on our flight to Cancun, to the Riviera Maya. So we'll post more pics and videos after our trip. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Tourists, all these people. Stay away from these people. They're more expensive. They try to get you to book with them for excursions, but wait and go to your hotel, to your resort. You get a better deal. Do not stop and get sucked in with these people. See, it says timeshare, vacation club. No, do not get sucked in with these people. Book your excursion at your hotel. Get a better rate, and you get a better price. Okay, you see here, we have all the shuttle services are marked.
Thank you so much.
All the shuttle services are marked. They're designated by shirts, logos on their shirts, and they all have signs.
Hola familia, welcome.
Hola.
¿Cuál es?
So,
103.
all you have to pre-book. All you have to do is look for your specific shuttle service, and they'll have you on their list. Alright guys, so here we are on our little shuttle. Just our little family. It's air conditioned. They've got our bags loaded up in the back for us. Ready to go, man? Tristan, you ready? We've got about an hour drive, so I think we're gonna get an adult beverage on the way and have something cold to drink. We've got about an hour drive to our resort. So, like I said, this is much easier. This is much easier to pre-book everything.
Did it ahead of time online.
You booked it with the
I looked up did it up online.
Okay, amigos.
Hola.
¿Cómo están? How are you, everybody?
Good.
My name is Ivan. This is your private transfer, guys.
Alright. Say hi to Ivan.
You're going to
Hola, Ivan.
Gran Bahia Principe, Tullum, right?
See.
Perfect.
Alright guys, so here we are at a resort room. It's called the Bahia Principe
Bye. Have a good time.
Grand Tullum. Give you a quick walkthrough here. Come in. Our room opens up right out to the.
It's real pretty. You can see the ocean.
I see a lot of this.
You can see the ocean from our room. You can walk right out here. Smoke a cigar.
Oh my god.
See the ocean from here. Behind the palm
Even
trees.
I smell the sand. It smells sand. I smell the sand. I smell the fish water.
There's the bed for the kids.
Yeah, I slept in it.
Little dining area.
Look at it.
Dresser for the kids. Shoe compartment. Mini fridge. Closet. Here's the adult accommodations. Really nice. And we also have a patio. Opens up right to the out to the ocean there. Have a TV in both rooms. The bar for whatnot. We've got a safe. Keep your valuables while you go out to do things. We have 2 restrooms. Sink area. Two showers. And another closet area. So, as always, we'll post more pics and videos as we enjoy our trip this week. Just wanted to give you guys a quick tour of the room. Thanks for tuning in with Journey with Eric and Julia.
Hi.